In this video, I'll show you how to reset the Firefox browser in Windows 11 on your laptop or PC. Before we start, if you want to safely download Firefox or access any Firefox add-ons without risking your personal data, using NordVPN is a great idea. It keeps your connection private and secure while browsing or installing software. You can check the link in the description to try it risk-free at a great price. If your Firefox is running slow, crashing frequently, or behaving strangely, the best way to restore its performance is to reset it. First, right-click on the Windows Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. Once you're in the Settings window, click on Apps in the left sidebar to access all the installed applications and system features. From there, select Apps and Features on the right-hand side. In the Apps and Features search field, type Firefox to locate the browser quickly. When Firefox appears in the list, click the three-dot menu next to it to see more options. You'll see choices like Uninstall, Move, and Advanced options. Select Uninstall, and a confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes to proceed. After this, Windows will display a Firefox setup dialog. This dialog gives you two options: completely uninstall Firefox, or refresh it. Choose Refresh Firefox. This option will restore Firefox to its default settings while keeping essential data such as bookmarks, saved passwords, and open tabs intact. During this process, all your add-ons, themes, and custom settings will be removed. You may also see messages explaining that certain preferences or configurations will be reset to their default values. This is normal and part of restoring the browser to a clean state. Once the reset process is finished, click Finish, and Firefox will relaunch with its default settings. You'll notice improved speed and stability, and you can start fresh with a clean browser setup. Using NordVPN while browsing or downloading Firefox ensures that your internet connection stays encrypted and your personal data remains safe, especially if you're on public Wi-Fi networks. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN risk-free for a great price.